In this video, I want to show you how you can manage your incidents in Monday Dev. The main goal of or reason as to why managing your incidents with Monday Dev, it's because it's allowing you to make sure that you don't repeat the same mistakes. It's allowing you to investigate your downtime, the reasons behind it, why it happened, how you found out about it, and be proactive for the future to make sure that you make the relevant changes within your organization and make sure it never happens again. So here is an example of how you can build an incidents board. And of course, this can be integrated with any of your kind of alert and incident platform that you have. So whenever something happens, it creates an item or an incident directly onto your board. Here you can manage, of course, how much downtime, what's the severity, what's the different statuses. And these are super important. So of course, everything here is customizable, so you can edit it and you can make your own columns. So here, for example, I have it by the domains, the service that was down, why was the root cause, what's the frequency, whether it happened again before, who it was reported by, and who's the team that's handling it. And then here I've created timestamps for every single status change. So I know exactly how much time it took from when the incident happened to we figured out what happened, right? So detection time to identify time, how much time it took for a fix to be deployed. And this is using also different formulas on different columns. And what this allows you to do is to then look at different insights. So based on that, I've created a dashboard that allows me to see exactly what happened with the downtime and being able to action it to make sure it never happens again. So I can see incidents per week by severity and downtime. And this is just by adding a dashboard and creating different widgets. So here I have different chart widgets. And I can look at trends. So I can see week per week, and I can see if there is a specific service that we're not doing very well on that's causing a lot of downtime, or maybe it's a specific domain. Here you can see it over the different months, and you can see who reported it. So we want to make sure, obviously, that the majority of our incidents doesn't come from users, and that it's much better if it's been identified by our developers. Even our CS can be a bit problematic. So here we can dive deeper to understand who identified and why. Downtime by root cause. Again, we can see that configuration is causing a lot of different mistakes. So we may want to focus on that throughout our R&D, make sure that the quality over there is being fixed per domain, per service. And these are all highly customizable. So you can create whatever kind of reports you want based on now the data that you have to be able to look at it and make sure you action it so it never happens again.